Hey man, what's good? It's your boy King. I'm about to show y'all how to fix NBA 2K16 say it take too long to load. Okay, first thing I wanna do is I wanna sign out your name. And then y'all wanna click on the game. The 2K16. They got my boy Stephen Curry out there playing hard, Anthony Davis. It should be Melo though. It's cool though. Melo gonna be the 2K17 cover. Mark my word, man. And then after that, you're gonna say press A to play, and that's all I gotta do. And then just sign into the account you're trying to play with. Yep, and that's and it should work. Yep, and there you go, guys. That's it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and yeah, share my video. Appreciate it.